populations of many native pollinators, including butterflies, wasps, and bees, have declined in recent years. In our last video, we discussed 3 important changes you can make in your area to help protect pollinators. One, plant diverse landscapes instead of turf grass. 2, reduce pesticide use whenever possible. And 3, reduce light pollution that harms nighttime pollinators. One of the best actions you can take is to add plants that attract pollinators to our local area. So let's cover how you can create a high-quality habitat for the pollinators near your home, garden, or farm. We'll discuss 5 topics. First topic, deciding where to put the plants. Second, choosing what plants to buy. Third, preparing the site. Fourth, installing the new plants. And fifth, watering the plants after installing them. Installing pollinator plants in your yard requires just a little time, along with simple garden and irrigation tools. The first step is deciding where to put the plants. This includes how much sun the area gets, what the soil is like, and whether there is irrigation. These factors will determine what kinds of plants you use. In particular, many locations in Nevada have bright sun all day long, so make sure the plants you pick can handle this type of exposure. In order to be attractive to flying insects, biologists recommend grouping several plants together in small clumps rather than as isolated plants. As you look around your area, also keep in mind that you'll want enough area to have at least a few plants of each kind in your garden. Next, you need to decide what plants to buy. Plant choice can be overwhelming, but there are many free resources that can help you make the right choices. One great resource is the Pollinator Partnership list of plant guides available at the link in the description below. Local resources are also available. Visit extension.unr.edu and search for native plants. When deciding what kinds of plants to install, keep in mind that plant species native to Nevada will often be better adapted to the local climate and soil. Many native plants need less water than non-native species. Native wildflowers also provide crucial food for many kinds of animals, including bees, butterflies, wasps, flies, and hummingbirds. Pollination by flower-visiting insects can also increase fruit production in your garden or orchard. Certain flower-visiting insects like flies and wasps eat common garden pests like aphids and spider mites. For maximum effect, when designing a pollinator garden space, biologists suggest having at least 3 species of plants blooming at any given point. In addition, you should strive to have plants with different bloom colors, shapes, and sizes. This will attract a wider variety of pollinators. After deciding where to plant and which plants to install, you need to prepare the site for planting. This might include removing grass, tilling soil, or removing rocks. Loosening soil will make it easier to plant and allow the water to reach the roots. Another advantage to installing native plants is that they do not need fertilizer or other soil amendments, unlike many common garden or landscape plants. Finally, after tilling, it can be helpful to lay down mulch to prevent weeds and retain water in the soil. For native plants, two common mulches are wood chips and decomposed granite. The last step of preparing the site is laying irrigation if the site requires it. For most settings, drip irrigation is the best way to water native wildflowers. You can check out additional Nevada Extension resources to learn more about how to set up a drip irrigation system. See the links in the description below. Now it's time to install the new plants. Many native plant species will come in deep pots. This helps them to form deep roots. This means that you need to dig deeper holes and pay special attention to connecting the roots to the surrounding soil. Plant seedlings near irrigation and give them plenty of water when you're done. Lastly, don't forget to leave a patch of bare dirt for insect nesting habitat. 3/4 of native bee species make their burrows in sandy soil. After planting, water your seedlings 2 to 3 times a week, depending on local temperatures. Once temperatures cool off, reduce watering and stop once temperatures drop below freezing. After the first year, many native plants can go with very little water. Often, once a week is enough. With a bit of work, time, and water, you can enjoy beautiful flowers that provide high-quality habitat for local pollinators all season long. You can find more information on protecting pollinators at the University of Nevada, Reno Extension Integrated Pest Management website. Visit extension.unr.edu and search for Integrated Pest Management.